Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, click on app management, click on app list, click on camera app and click on force stop. After force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart the device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.